Alright, cardboard box, take one.
Well,
And then so much.
It's 9 o'clock on a Saturday. The regular crowd shuffles in. There's an old man sitting next to me, making love to his tonic and gin. He says, "Son, can you play me a memory? I'm not really sure how it goes, but it's sad and it's sweet, and I knew it complete when I wore a younger man's clothes." La 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 la.
Can't move because the window's in front of you.
Sing us a song, you're the piano man. Sing us a song tonight.